second grade math support. My name is Dr. Briggs, and these are the topics for this school year. We are now on number and operations in base 10. And let me get us here. So this is the objective. Count within 1,000. Skip count by 5s, 10s, and 100s. And here's our problem. Diego is setting up chairs for school assembly. He arranges the chairs in rows of 10. After setting up 20 rows, he decides to count them by 10s to check his work. Here are our questions. How many chairs does Diego have in total? If Diego skip counts by hundreds, how many times will he count to reach the total? Show how the total can also be reached by skip counting by 5s. So this has a few things with it. But let's look. So he's arranging his chairs in rows of 10. And he set up 20 rows. But then he decided he wanted to check by counting by 10s to check his work. So let's see. We have row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So these are 20 rows, and we know that each of the rows has 10. So if we're counting by 10s, then we can do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. So looks like we would have 200 chairs. If Diego skip counts by 100s, how many times will he count to reach the total? Well, these two together are 100, and these two together are 100. So if he skips counts by 100s, that'd be 100, 200. He would only need to skip count twice. Now, how can the total also be reached by skip counting by 5s? Well, if we know that these are in rows of 10, if we were to divide this up, then that would be 5 and that would be 5. Well, we can do that all the way to here. And we can count by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 120, 100, so 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175, 180, 185, 190, 195, 200. So either way, whether we skip count by 10s, 100s, or 5s, we still get 200. Thank you so much for joining. I hope this was helpful. And if you need any other help with anything, let me know. Thank you so much and have a great day. Thank you so much for joining my tutoring session today. If you enjoyed the way that I instruct and you think that I would be a useful addition to your student or to yourself, feel free to scan this QR code. It is going to take you directly to my profile page where you can get set up on weekly classes with me. Looking forward to seeing you in the classroom.